Good morning, students. Myself, Charu Mahajan, your computer teacher. In this session, we are going to learn about how to create a form in MS Access. In the last session, we have learned about how to create a table in a database. In this session, we will do the next step, creating form. So let's start. Just open your MS Access. Open the file you have already created, or you can create a new one. I just already created a file. Here is my table, personal information. I just go to the create option and go to the form design. For creating a form, I am going to form design option. A blank form is in front of me. I can add the fields through add existing fields option. Just click on it. It will show the table you have already created and show the fields of that table. You can pick and drag these fields one by one to your form. I'm just dragging these fields. We can design here also. We can make changes. Right now, I'm just dragging the fields here. We got all the fields here. We can just close that field list. On the top of the form, if I want to write the heading, I just choose the label, insert it by the dragging option. We can insert and just type the heading which you want. Whatever you want to write, you can write. I'm here writing the school name. You can see the font is very small. We can go to the property sheet. Here is the property sheet of this label. What we can do, we just change the font style. Font size. We can align it also. टेक्स्ट अलाइन जनरल की जगह हम सेंटर कर देंगे. Okay, now we can save it pressing Ctrl plus S. We can give the name here. I am giving entry form. My form is saved. I just close it. When I double click on the entry form in the navigation pane, I can see my records. Okay, this is how you can create your form. You can change the formatting of your form in the property sheet only. Okay, in the property sheet, you can change the font size, font style. You can make them bold. Whatever you want to do, you can do it in the, we can just right click. Again, we can go to the design view and we can format our fields here in this property sheet. As we are seeing, the date of birth is not synced properly. I just go to this field. Here I can change the position. I can write here date of birth. Again, I can do this. I just make it proper. Okay. For the student name, इसे भी हम इसके साथ proper place पे ले आते हैं. And we can write here student name. We can place it anywhere we want to place. Okay. The same manner we can place the address so that they look in a proper way. Okay. Now look how it looks in the result sheet. In the layout view, it looks like this. This is the proper way. They are now aligned. They are in one line. Okay. Now it's easy to understand the date of birth and the student name. It's not in the short field name. Okay. The user can see the whole description here. It's not confusing for him or her, for the new user. Okay, this is how to create a form in MS Access. That's all in this session. I will meet you in the next session with new lesson of creating queries in MS Access. Till then, bye.